In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to notify employees when there are schedule changes in QuickBooks Time using the current desktop interface. To get started, sign in to QuickBooks Time on your desktop or laptop. A reliable internet connection and a supported browser will make this go smoothly. Also, make sure you have permission to view and edit schedules. If you don't see the options I mention, you may need an admin to adjust your access. Once you're in, look to the left navigation and click Schedule. If your menu is collapsed, hover or click the icon to expand it. The Schedule area is where you can view shifts by day, week, or month, filter by team members or jobs, and quickly spot anything that needs to be updated. Open the schedule that has changes. You can navigate to the correct date range, switch views, or use filters to find the specific person, job, or shift you want to adjust. Taking a moment here to confirm you're editing the right date and team member helps prevent duplicate alerts or confusion later. Now make the necessary edits to shifts or assignments. You can adjust start and end times, move a shift to a different day, change who it's assigned to, or update any relevant details in the shift. If your team relies on notes for handoffs or location details, this is a good time to keep those clear and up to date, so the notification your team receives aligns with what they'll see on their schedules. When your changes are set, click Save. Saving commits your edits to the schedule and prepares the system to notify the affected team members. If you navigate away without saving, your changes won't be applied and no one will be notified, so watch for the confirmation that the save went through. After you save, a notification prompt will appear. Make sure the option to notify team members of changes is checked. This toggle is important. It controls whether employees get alerted through their chosen method, such as mobile push, text, or email, based on their personal notification settings in QuickBooks Time. Keeping this checked ensures your team knows exactly what changed and when. Finally, click Send Notifications. QuickBooks Time will deliver the updates to the impacted team members, and their schedules will reflect the latest information. It's a good practice to let your team know to check their app or email for the update, especially if the change is time-sensitive, and be available for any quick clarifications. That's it. Your schedule is updated and your employees are informed. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.